This is a brand new 2012 Honda Accord Crosstour. This wagon has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, leather seats, variable cylinder management, an electronic throttle, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, air vents for rear-seated passengers, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.